Assalamualaikum my dear listeners. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. As we all know that Muslims from the whole world, irrespective of their race, color, creed, religion and country, get united at one place with same outfit, same mindset in Allah's house for the willingness of Allah and fulfillment of Sunnah, to perform Hajj on 9th of Zul-Hajj. In the province of Hijaz, in the western part of Arabia, not far from the Red Sea, there lies the town of Mecca. In the center of this town, there is a small square building made of world's most antique stones, about 60 feet long, 60 feet wide and 60 feet high. This is Baytullah, the house of Allah. Its holiness and antiquity is older than history itself. So today we'll discuss about the construction of Holy Kaaba in different eras. It has been narrated that Kaaba was first constructed in the era of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Because of the flood, it was lost during the era of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. And then it was reconstructed during the era of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. After the construction was completed, Allah enjoined the descendants of Ismail alayhi salam to perform an annual pilgrimage, the Hajj and Qur'an, sacrifice of cattle. Before the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when Hazrat Abdul Muttalib was the leader of Mecca and the custodian of Holy Mosque, king of Yemen and Ethiopia, Abraha made a church in the city called Sana'a, wanted people to make Hajj there, but made him crazy, knowing that the people are traveling miles away towards Mecca to perform Umrah and Hajj and Tawaf. Rejecting his idea to take revenge on Muslims, he built an army, having a huge number of elephants, and charged the army towards Mecca. After reaching Mecca, his attack was successful. Furthermore, the camel of Hazrat Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was also caught by his army. Hazrat Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu went to Abraha's army and asked for the camel they captured. After listening this, Abraha was very shocked that they are here to attack Kaaba and Hazrat Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is just asking for his camel. They gave Hazrat Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu his camel and he left. Before leaving, Hazrat Abdul Muttalib radiyallahu ta'ala anhu told Abraha that Allah has promised to protect his house, so he will protect it. Next day, Abraha's army was ready to attack the Kaaba, but a very strange thing happened, that none of the elephants stood up. Then a flock of ababil came, sent by Allah, and they had stones in their claws and beaks. They flew over the army of Abraha and threw the stones on his army. The whole army was in shambles, as they wanted to save their own lives. But Allah had commanded that each stone will fall onto each person, and just in 1 minute, the whole army was dead. Since after the death of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, his children and local tribes, who settled around the Zamzam, gradually forgot their values and started believing in multiple gods and settled idols in the Holy Kaaba. On preaching the word of Allah, the people of Mecca disturbed the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. So he, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his companions migrated to Medina on the command of Allah. He built an Islamic state in Medina and conquered the Mecca and destroyed the idols in the holy Mecca. Then, along with his companions, Muhammad ﷺ visited the Kaaba. The idols were broken and their gods were destroyed. Thereupon, Muhammad ﷺ recited the following verse: "Say the truth has come and falsehood has gone. Verily, falsehood is bound to vanish." Holy Prophet ﷺ performed only one Hajj during his life and gave his last sermon in the Holy Kaaba. The Hajj is a pillar of Islam required by all Muslims once in a lifetime. It is a physically demanding journey that Muslims believe is a chance to wipe out and clean past sins and start a new journey. On the account of this, as per the Sunnah of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail A, Muslims sacrifice their animals during the days of Adha every year and help the needy people. May Allah accept all our prayers and sacrifices. Ameen. Have a good day.